like George Washington. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're new here, I normally don't wake up looking like this, but you know, I tried the heatless curls yesterday, so we're gonna see how they look. I'm also gonna film a TikTok on it, so I'm tired. I'm gonna set up my camera and do a TikTok. Good morning, everybody. I tried doing the heatless curls yesterday, so we're gonna see how this looks when I take it out. I don't hate it. I feel like a little run through, and my hair is super curly. Doesn't look that bad. Good morning, everybody. I tried doing the heatless curls yesterday, so we're gonna see how this looks when I take it out. I did want to thank today's sponsor of the video, MD Acne. If you don't know what MD Acne is, it is breakthrough skincare. And what I mean by that is that you actually have customized skincare. Download the app, they analyze your skin, they're gonna send you a free skincare set. All you have to do is pay for shipping, and you get to talk to dermatologists 24/7. It's a really interactive skincare, and I feel like it's customization with skincare is probably the best thing you can do when you have acne. I have extremely acne prone skin. Right now it doesn't look like it because my skin has cleared up immensely, but the ones that happen with me on YouTube, you know my skin can get bad, and something that has helped me is the customization and the dermatologist support. You get unlimited one time with a dermatologist, so it's not like one meeting and that's it. Like, if you have questions, if you want to change your formula, they are there for you. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks for you to see results with MD Acne, but you will see results. Whenever I did have it, it was one of the things that I was most insecure about. I didn't even want to go outside. Last summer is probably when I had one of my flare-ups, and I remember thinking, it's so hot outside. I don't want to have to put on makeup when it's 100 degrees, and then we still had to wear masks, so I was getting a lot of acne on here from like the makeup and the sweat, and it was horrible. Done with my skincare routine. It's super easy. It's literally 2 steps in the morning, 3 steps at night. Super simple. If you guys want to try it for free, all you have to do is pay $9 for shipping. Then you guys can click on the link down below. It does not hurt to try it. Wait 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you, MD Acne, for sponsoring today's video. I am now headed to the gym. Gym outfit of the day: Set Active leggings, Aloe sports bra. I'm wearing these really cute shoes that I actually got for my birthday. I'll have them linked down below. I've gotten so many questions on them. They're so cute. What am I doing today? I'm doing chest and tries, legs, or back and shoulders. One of those. We'll see. Anyways, let's go.
What's up?
You're upside down. How bad do you think this is? Look. This has been in the freezer for I don't even know how long.
I ate some stuff that was in the freezer for a long time.
But this is bread.
Huh?
This is bread.
Yeah, it was bread. I mean, I think it's safe to eat. It just might taste weird, like it was freezer burn. I don't know. What I did was I put it in the microwave, defrost it for like 10 seconds so it would be soft, and then cut it in half and toast it.
Should I do that?
What?
One of my eggs cracked. I just made the worst egg. Finally getting some work done, sitting on the couch, writing out my to-do list and figuring out what I need to do. I feel pretty overwhelmed, but it's okay. Today, I actually have 3 podcasts. So I have 2 for other podcasts, 1 for myself. And I'm so excited because I'm interviewing the founder of Queen, which is a granola butter. And I'm just so excited. I'm gonna go to my friend Kelly's house, help her shoot a video, which I think will be really funny. And then probably go and get dinner because I don't have much food here, so I'll probably go and grab some dinner and instead of cooking, because I do go to Boston on Monday, and so I don't want to buy groceries for only a few days, and on the weekend I'll probably be going out, so that's the plan right now. Update on the hair though, obsessed. I'm gonna do this like every single night. Why haven't I done this before? Someone let me know.
Whole Foods would be the natural channel, Sprouts, etc. And then there's conventional, which is obviously Target, Kroger, And it's super expensive to actually just be in those stores. So there's so many different hidden fees that you wouldn't know about as a consumer. You know, there's slotting fees, which just means you have to pay to be on the shelf.
Right. I had no idea about all of the hidden fees about it. I feel like it's one of those things that it looks like Target wants you, and then if anything, Target pays you to have to be there. But I had no idea about the hidden fees, so that's really interesting. At Kelly's house.
Hello, we're gonna film an apartment tour video.
I look.
Keep it in the vlog. Hey guys, welcome to my ASMR. This looks so good.
Right? I think the lens looks nice.
Forgot to YouTube. Hi guys, so today we're seeing what's in my bag. We have lots of nails. Oh, got some sun pass tolls.
That you haven't paid? No.
The sun pass, it never came. I love that room.
The office.
A little day bed here.
Cute. Yeah, like a guest room.
Yeah.
And for you.
And
like change of scenery.
Exactly. I like to sleep in multiple places. So Bernie Mac, the comedian, R.I.P., said he is really selfish. So he's like, I have a 4-bedroom house and I sleep in all the bedrooms at the same time because I don't like people. So.
To go and get some dinner, and it was so nice earlier, and the second I got in my car it just started raining. So that's Florida weather for you. It is very, very, like, 1 second it's raining, 1 second it's sunny. In 30 minutes it will probably be sunny again, or not sunny because it's 7:30, but it won't be raining anymore. It's just so weird. Like, tomorrow the forecast is thunderstorms, and I can guarantee that it will thunderstorm for like max 2 hours. Like max 2 hours. I doubt it's gonna thunderstorm. It's just such weird weather here. But coming and getting some healthy food. I've never been to this place before, so I'm hoping it's good, but it looked really good. It looked like it had sandwiches, salads, and I was actually gonna go and order it and then sit at the beach because I'm right across the street from the beach and just like watch the sunset. But now that it's raining, I'm gonna scratch that plan. I'm just gonna head inside. I also haven't changed my license plate. I don't have a screwdriver. I need to go up to my apartment and get a screwdriver. So my license plate is like 2 weeks expired. So crossing my fingers that in this drive I don't get pulled over, but I did bring my license plate with me. So it's right here. I'm so hungry though. And honestly, I'm like so excited to just spend some time alone and like eat by myself. I like living alone, I think. I just started watching Love Island. I'm on season 1, episode 1 of the UK version. And I think I need subtitles. I cannot understand them. I can hear one word, I understand maybe 2, and then the rest of the sentence I'm just like, I don't get it. It is time for me to clean up this mess. I think I am a pretty neat person, but I sometimes occasionally leave a mess everywhere. A little cleaning montage. I've been just working on this coffee table. I don't know, I've liked it a little bit more, so I'm just gonna start putting everything away and cleaning the apartment and unpacking from when I got home, which was already a few days ago. Sunny again. Anyways, I am actually about to wrap up. I'm about to finish working, and I wanted to thank you guys for watching today's vlog. It was a super chill vlog, but the month of May, I'm challenging myself to film more just just start romanticizing my life. You know, like that walk was I was romanticizing that. Cleaning my apartment with the background music probably was a little romantic. I do think that living by myself, it's challenging me to film more content and just show you guys more of my life and connect more with you guys and build more of a community. Let me know what you guys want to see from me, if you guys like these vlogs, and I'm so excited to film more of them. But thank you again for MD Acne for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check them out down below. Get your free custom skincare set. And anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.